Now that we're in the second month of 2024, let's break down what happened in January in the Philadelphia real estate market in Bucks County, Montgomery County, and Philadelphia. We'll compare it to what happened in quarter four of last year and see where each market might be heading. Before we start breaking down what happened in the market and where it might be heading, my name is Doug Bair, the Philly Suburb Realtor. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest anywhere in the Philadelphia area from the city up to the Lehigh Valley, make sure you reach out to me, call, text, email, however you want to get a hold of me, and let's break down what happened in January 2024. All right, so let's start with the first question that I'm usually asked every single time I talk to somebody about real estate, which is, what are the interest rates doing? So right now they're hovering, this is from yesterday, they're hovering around 6.63% is the average interest rate if you're looking to buy right now. You can see that that this hump over here actually was October, so you can see how it's dropped considerably since October. Not quite back to where they were a year ago, but they are starting to trend down. So if you're looking at interest rates, that's where you're at right now, is you're going to be around 6.63%. Make sure if you're looking, talk to a lender. If you don't have one, reach out to me. I'll connect you with one of mine, and they can give you an idea of where you would be at with your situation. Make sure you talk to a lender to see where you're at with interest rates. So first, let's break down the fourth quarter of 2023 in Bucks County to see where we were, kind of give a little bit of context before I break down what happened in January. So the fourth quarter of 2023, the average sale price in Bucks County was $535,000, which is a 5.6% increase from 2022's fourth quarter. The percentage of asking price compared to what they received, on average, homeowners were receiving about 99.2% of whatever they were asking for when they listed the house for sale. The homes for sale was 513, which was down 39.2% from quarter four of 2022. The month supply of inventory is at 1. What that means is it would take, if no more homes were listed for sale, it would take 1 month to sell out everything that's listed for sale. So that's definitely a seller's market. Anything under 3 to 6 months is about a balanced market. So anything under 3 months is definitely a seller's market. You can see that was down 33% as opposed to the year before. So let's break down what happened in January. So this is Bucks County. So in January, you had 392 homes listed for sale, and the average sale price was $536,000. So if you look, I think it was like $800 more. So about the same as quarter four of last year. Monthly supply of inventory is 1.2. If you look down here and it shows the current month, actually the monthly supply of inventory jumped from 1.2 up to 1.9. So what that means is a lot more homes were listed for sale in the first couple of days of the month. Now that we're heading into February, that's pretty common. But if you look over here, the average days on market that it took for a home to get under contract is about 26. And if you're looking at last year for this current month, there was a 2-month supply of inventory. So it's about the same where we were last year in February, current month of February from 2023. So let's break down Montgomery County. So Montgomery County, again, this is quarter four of 2023. Montgomery County, the average sale price was $492,000, which is up 5.9% from last year in 2022. The percentage of what they got versus what they were asking for was 100%. So basically, on average, in Montgomery County, whatever you listed your house for sale, on average, you got 100% of what you're asking for. Homes for sale was 794, which is a lot more than in Bucks County. The monthly supply of inventory was a little bit higher, not much, but 1.2 month supply of inventory, which is a decrease of 14.3%. As compared to 2022, quarter four of 2022. And what happened in January in Montgomery County was there was a 1.4 monthly supply of inventory. 578 homes were listed for sale. The average sold price was $490,000, so a little bit less actually in Montgomery County. The average days on market was about 25 days for it to take for homes to get under contract after they were listed. Compare that to the current month of February. You can see that the monthly supply went from 1.4 to 2 months. So it jumped up a decent bit, just like Bucks County. The average listed price currently in Montgomery County is $748,000. New listings, there were 73 in the last 2 days. Today, when I'm recording this, it's February 2nd. So in just 2 days, there's been 73 new homes listed for sale, and 10 have gone under contract. So February and March, popular months to list houses, so it's not surprising that the inventory jumped up a decent bit for both Bucks and Montgomery. But these are the numbers. This is what happened in January of 2024 here. And let's break down Philadelphia next. So Philadelphia County, if you're looking at the average sale price, is about $290,000, which was down 5.6% as opposed to Q4 of 2022. They received, homeowners received an average of 94.4% of their asking price, which is actually an increase of 0.6%. Homes for sale, 3959, which is a decrease of 38.3% as opposed to Q4 of 2022. Closed sales, 3203, down 0.3%, so about the same. Monthly supply of inventory, 3.3. So in Philadelphia County, Q4 of 2023, you had a decent amount more homes to choose from than in both Bucks and Montgomery counties. So let's check out what happened in January in Philadelphia County. So in January, the monthly supply of inventory went from 3.3 to 4.1, so it's definitely increased. Again, this month typically does increase as opposed to January. So 4.1 monthly supply of inventory. The average sale price was $302,000, so actually jumped up. If you can remember, in 2023 Q4, the average sale price was $290,000. So now we're at $302,000. So about $12,000 more dollars for the average sold price in January. The current month, February, the inventory jumped up to 5.3. So becoming more of a balanced market here in Philadelphia County. The average list price right now in Philadelphia County is $433,000. 105 new listings in the last 2 days and 22 under contract. So that's what happened in January 2024 in the real estate market. I am curious to see where you guys think the real estate market is headed in 2024 as we continue on. What do you think the interest rates are going to do? What do you think the market's going to do? Do you think that there's a crash coming, or are we going to continue to project upwards? So I would love to know in the comments what your guys' thoughts are. Again, my name is Doug Bair. I am the Philadelphia Suburb Realtor. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest anywhere from Philadelphia up to the Lehigh Valley, make sure you reach out. If you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.